In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an engaging restaurant poster with an integrated QR code using Canva. Whether you're promoting a new restaurant or just refreshing your existing marketing materials, integrating a QR code can help customers easily access your menu or website on their mobile devices. Let's dive into the process step by step so you can get started. First things first, open up your web browser and navigate to the Canva website. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, you'll just need to sign up for a free account to access all the great features Canva has to offer. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Here's where the magic begins. Direct your attention to the search bar located prominently in the center of the dashboard. This is your gateway to a vast library of templates. Here, we're going to search specifically for a restaurant poster with a QR code. Type that into the search bar and hit Enter. This will bring up a selection of professional and visually appealing templates catered to your needs. Take your time to browse through the options and select the template that aligns best with your brand aesthetic and message. Once you find the perfect design, click on it to open a preview. This gives you a close look at the layout and design to ensure it's the right fit for your vision. If it meets your approval, look for the Customize this template button, typically located on the side of your screen. Clicking on this will open up more options and allow you to put your own spin on the design. Now that you're in the template editor, let's move on to adding a QR code. On the left-hand side of your screen, there's a menu panel. Here's where you can access tons of additional features Canva offers, such as adding text, elements, and more. Scroll through until you find the Apps section. Click into it and type QR code in the search bar provided. You'll be provided with a few QR code generator tools. Select the one that suits you best. If you're curious, you're welcome to explore other available tools and apps that might enhance your design. Once you've chosen and loaded the QR code app, it's time to input the URL you want the QR code to link to, whether that's your restaurant's website or a menu link. After inputting the link, you can also customize the QR code's appearance. Altering the foreground and background colors can make the QR code mesh seamlessly with your poster design. A well-integrated color scheme will ensure that your QR code is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Generate the QR code by clicking on the respective button and let Canva do the rest. You'll then want to adjust the size and position of the QR code on your poster. Make sure it's visible and easily scannable, yet complements the overall design of your poster. And there you have it. You've successfully incorporated a QR code into your restaurant poster using Canva. Remember, a well-crafted poster can significantly enhance your restaurant's visibility and engagement, leveraging both physical presence and digital accessibility.